Back to another Let's Talk Mathematics video. Today we'll be evaluating a Christmas question which was found on the UKMT Twitter page. It's a nice addition for Christmas. So the question says, Sally and Gary have made a snowman out of 3 spherical balls of snow, with the top sphere making up the head. Sally measures the snowman's height as 126. Gary measures the width of each sphere. He finds that the middle sphere is 1.5 times as wide as the head, and the bottom sphere is twice as wide as the head. What is the width of the snowman's head? So first of all, let's take out the important pieces of information from this question. So it says the height is 126 centimeters. It says the middle sphere is 1.5 times as wide as the head, and the bottom sphere is twice as wide as the head. What is the width of the snowman's head? So it's really important that we answer the question. So here we have just taken out the important pieces of information from this word problem. So now how does this fit into an equation? So firstly, there is no definite measurement for the head or the width of the middle sphere or the width of the bottom sphere. But we can see that it says 1.5 times as wide as the head. So the middle sphere is 1.5 times as wide as the head. So we could say if the head was W, which indicates width, then the middle sphere would be 1.5 W. And hence the bottom sphere, which is twice as wide as the head, would be 2 W. So let's pop this into the equation. So the total is 126. So we can do W, which is the head, plus the middle sphere, which is 1.5 W, plus the bottom sphere, which is 2 W, which is equal to 126, because it says the height is 126. So now how do we solve this equation? So firstly we can see that W plus 1.5 W plus 2 W is 4.5 W. Which is equal to 126. Then we can solve this equation. So we can do 126 over 4.5 to see what W is. So this tells us that W is equal to 28. And W replaced head. So 28 is the measurement for the head. So the head is 28 centimeters. However, it's always good to look at the answer for the question, because the question asked is what is the width of the snowman's head. If, for an example, the question asked was what is the width of the bottom sphere, then the answer for that would be 2 times W, which in this case is 28, is equal to 56. So in this case the answer is 28, but it is always good to be sure about what the question asks of you. It was a nice algebra and a very touching Christmas edition. Hope you had fun.